The demand for high-quality golf putting mats has surged as more players look to improve their short game from home. Like typists and gamers seeking precision tools, golfers want mats that offer consistent roll speeds, durable construction, and well-designed layouts for practice.
List number 1. Gimya Golf Putting Mat Green Indoor. The Gimya Golf Putting Mat Green Indoor is an excellent option for golfers who want realistic practice without leaving the house. This mat is designed with a premium crystal velvet surface that allows the golf ball to glide smoothly, mimicking the feel of a real green. Its roll consistency is one of its strongest attributes, helping users refine accuracy and develop muscle memory. The mat includes clearly printed alignment guides for stroke correction, a significant advantage for beginners and intermediate players focused on improving straight putts and pace control. Durability is another standout point. The backing is made of heavy-duty, non-slip rubber, ensuring it stays securely in place on wood, tile, or carpeted surfaces. This prevents unwanted shifting that can interrupt focus during practice. Measuring generously in length, the mat provides enough runway for long and short putts, making it versatile for all skill levels. Portability is also convenient, easy to roll up, transport, and store when not in use. It's ideal for apartments, offices, or home practice areas. While it doesn't include an automatic ball return system, its affordability and training-focused design make it an excellent value for golfers seeking consistent performance and long-lasting construction.
List number 2. Putting Green Indoor Mat Outdoor Golf Putting Mat with Automatic Ball Return. This indoor-outdoor putting green with automatic ball return is perfect for golfers who prioritize continuous, uninterrupted practice sessions. The built-in ball return feature eliminates constant bending and retrieving, keeping your rhythm consistent, an essential factor in refining your short game. The automatic return mechanism is smooth, reliable, and works efficiently with standard golf balls, making it ideal for extended sessions. The turf is designed to replicate a true putting green, offering moderate to fast speed with a consistent roll. It feels premium underfoot and helps improve accuracy, rhythm, and distance control. This mat features 2 putting holes, one regulation size and a smaller precision hole, perfect for challenge training and increasing focus. A major advantage of this mat is its weather-resistant construction. Whether you set it up indoors or take it outdoors on the patio, the materials withstand heavy use and environmental exposure. Non-slip backing ensures stability, even on polished floors. The layout includes alignment guides to help correct aim and improve stroke consistency.
List number 3. Putt-About Par 3 Golf Putting Green, 3 feet by 9 feet. The Putt-About Par 3 Golf Putting Green is one of the most recognized and well-loved mats on the market for its simple, effective, and durable design. Sized that is spacious 3 feet by 9 feet, it provides ample room for varied putting distances. Its kidney-shaped layout adds fun and challenge with multiple hole placements, making practice more dynamic compared to straight path mats. Made in the USA, the putting surface is crafted from premium PET resin, giving players a smooth and true roll that closely resembles real greens. The foam backing is thick and non-slip, ensuring both comfort and stability during practice sessions. The mat lies flat immediately after unrolling, no frustrating creases or bumps. The 3-hole setup allows golfers to vary their angles and difficulty, making it ideal for improving aim, reading subtle breaks, and practicing pace. Although it lacks printed alignment guides, many golfers appreciate the clean, unobstructed design that encourages natural on-course style putting.
List number 4. Putting Green Indoor Golf Putting Mat. This Putting Green Indoor Golf Putting Mat is an excellent mid-range training tool for golfers looking for versatility and professional-style features. The mat boasts a high-quality synthetic turf that provides a consistent, medium-fast putting surface, ideal for practicing precision and speed control. What sets this mat apart is its dual-hole design, giving players the option to train on standard and reduced-size cups, a great way to sharpen accuracy under pressure. Its alignment guides are clear and helpful, allowing golfers to correct stance, swing path, and follow-through. These visual cues make it particularly useful for beginners and intermediate players aiming to build good habits. The mat rolls out flat with minimal effort and stays firmly in place thanks to a high-traction rubber base. Measuring long enough for realistic putting practice, the mat also includes settle incline elements near the holes. This small elevation trains golfers to putt with confidence and improves control when approaching uphill putts on the course.
List number 5. Perfect Practice Golf Putting Mat, Portable Putting Green. The Perfect Practice Golf Putting Mat has gained a reputation as one of the most premium and effective putting practice tools available, made famous by endorsements from professional golfers. Its standout feature is the ultra-smooth crystal velvet surface that delivers tournament-like speed and a remarkably true roll. This ensures you can practice confidently, knowing the mat closely mimics real green conditions. The design incorporates a natural wood ball return track, one of the most elegant and functional systems among putting mats. It effortlessly returns golf balls after each putt, allowing for uninterrupted, efficient training sessions. The dual-hole layout with one regulation and one smaller precision cup helps golfers build accuracy, touch, and consistency. Alignment lines run throughout the mat, offering valuable guidance on aim, stroke path, and ball trajectory. These practice aids are a major selling point for improving form and eliminating common errors. The mat also features a gradual incline near the holes, helping golfers build stronger, more confident strokes.